want to do the whole.
I need to do something new though. What else can I do with this? I'll figure out something.
That's sexy. I like your ass. I hear you laughing, Scotty. Yeah, I just heard it. What are you doing to my brother?
What? He was staring at the TV in black. I like what you're watching there.
He was just staring at the TV.
Yeah.
This is what happens when we have no power. No cable, no internet. Nothing to do. Yeah. I said when I get my own house, I'm going to take all the doors off and I'm just going to hang curtains in all the doorways. So I'm kind of liking this whole blanket in the doorway thing.
That's like ghetto.
Yeah, well, I'm super ghetto. Don't you know that? Oh, I like that.
Oh yeah, I like the way it vibrates in my coot.
Yes. Yes.
Who texted you? Who's canceled?
No one. It was a Facebook thing Brandolyn posted to my wall.
What'd she say?
Wanted to know where I get my hair done. Bitch, I do my own hair.
Yeah. Oh, I still need Bennett cut it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my sexy hair right now. My sexy natural hair. With no straightener because there's no fucking electricity. Tequila makes the ground fall off. That's right.
Hey, what a thing of deodorant. I have like 5 in my bag. Here, have this small one.
I have so much deodorant. Yeah.
I have a razor.
Secret, invisible solid, powder fresh.
I have a camera that doesn't work.
Oh, this camera works.